Attention grabber, imagine a bandage that's alive. A bandage that grows with your skin, repairs damaged tissue, and helps wounds heal faster than anything we've ever seen. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's real. Scientists have just created living bandages made from fungi, yes, actual mushrooms designed to repair your body the way nature heals itself in forests. These bandages can sense damage, grow new fibers, and even deliver medicine directly into the wound. For people with burns, chronic wounds, or slow healing conditions, this could be a game changer. Imagine replacing painful dressing changes with a bandage that adapts, protects, and even regenerates itself. No chemicals, no synthetic plastics, just pure biohealing. Researchers use a special fungal material called mycelium, the living root network of mushrooms. Mycelium is strong, flexible, lightweight, and most importantly, it grows naturally. When placed over a wound, it can be engineered to release healing compounds or integrate with human cells. This isn't just a bandage, it's a living system. Scientists discovered that mycelium reacts to moisture, pressure, and even bacteria. That means it can detect infection early and change its structure to fight it. Some versions are even being designed to glow when a wound is getting worse. Doctors believe these bandages could help with burn victims, diabetic foot wounds, surgical scars, skin graft, support tissue regeneration. In the future, they might even repair organs or help regrow damaged tissue. While normal medical bandages create tons of waste, these fungi bandages are biodegradable. They grow naturally, break down harmlessly, and don't pollute the environment. A cleaner planet and healthier humans, that's the kind of innovation we need. But here's the real mystery: if living bandages can heal our skin, what else could living materials repair? Bones, organs, entire limbs. We're standing at the beginning of a new era where medicine grows naturally and heals smarter than ever before. So if you want to stay ahead of the future of science and biotech, hit like, subscribe, and let's explore what's coming next.